Subscribe to the Advanced Unboxer channel and watch all latest technology videos by pressing the bell icon. Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome to the another interesting video on my channel. In this video we are going to talk about the iPhone XR, so keep watching this video. My name is Hamza Mukhtar, you are watching Advanced Unboxer, so let's get started. This autumn, Apple released 3 new iPhones. They were all iPhone X successors, and iPhone XR was the most accessible one out of the 3. The handset became available for pre-order on October 19, and it hit the shelves on October 26. Since it has been released for some time, today we are going to take a closer look at it and see what it can offer us. What is the difference between the iPhone XR and other released iPhones? Recently, Apple released iPhone XR, iPhone XS and the XS Max. They are quite similar, but the main difference is that iPhone XR's specs, which also allows it to be the most affordable one. Nonetheless, the differences are not that big. If we take a look at the iPhone XS Max, iPhone XS and the XR, we see that they all use the same processor. Other important features such as the True Depth camera and Face ID are also present with all of them. The camera is different because iPhone XR comes with a rear camera, and the display technology is not the same either. We can also note that the sides of the iPhone XR use aluminum instead of stainless steel. iPhone XR was released at the same time as iPhone XS and the XS Max, and it is not hard to see the iPhone XR is meant to be low-cost alternative since the other two have $1,000 prices. However, the iPhone XR is still expensive for many users, although it also has plenty of features that might make it worth it. The 64GB option is available for $749, the 128GB one costs $799, and the 256GB options cost $899. The price for this device starts at $749. It can be the perfect iPhone X upgrade for those who are not willing to spend that much money on a new phone. The iPhone XR is available in stores since October 26, and if you wait a little bit longer, you might be able to get some Black Friday deals for it as well. You want to know what this phone is capable of, and luckily for you, the iPhone XR is able to deliver a high quality performance. The handset comes with the new A12 Bionic processor from Apple. It is quite powerful as it is the first 7nm processor. This processor combines high efficiency cores for simple tasks with high energy processing cores for more difficult tasks. A powerful processor makes everything better, from photo processing, machine learning and graphics performance. When it comes to storage, you can get a 64GB iPhone XR as the starting option. It also offers 128GB and 256GB options. This is different from iPhone XS and the XS Max, which came with 256GB and 512GB as the max upgrades. However, the options offered by iPhone XR are more than enough for almost any user. And you should not forget that you can use cloud storage as well. iPhone XR is able to run the latest iOS versions. It means that you will be up to date with everything. The first thing that you will notice is that the iPhone XR looks quite similar to the iPhone X. You will notice that it even has a famous notch at the top. It has a 6.1 inches display, which might be a little bit large for some people, but it is smaller than the 6.5 inches of iPhone XS Max. If you compare it to the iPhone XS and the XS Max, you can see that the bezels of the iPhone XR are just a little bit larger, but it is not something very obvious. Also, the iPhone XS has a 5.8 inches display, which might be a bit more convenient for your hand. If we take a look at the back of it, we can notice that the iPhone XR comes with a single lens camera instead of a dual sensor cameras like the iPhone XS Max and the XS. You will also be happy to hear the iPhone XR has more options available when it comes to color. You can choose between white, black, blue, coral, red and yellow. Meanwhile, the iPhone XS and the XS Max are available in black, space gray and silver colors. The display of the iPhone XR is an LCD one, and it comes with 1792 by 1828 resolution. It has True Tone support, and Apple call this display liquid display. The bad news is that it doesn't come with 3D touch. The frame of the phone is made out of aluminum, and it allows wireless charging as well. One of the biggest differences between the iPhone XS and the XS Max and iPhone XR is that the later one only has a single sensor camera. This is also one of the reasons why the price is a lot more accessible. With this camera, you won't be able to use the portrait mode though. There is a support for the portrait mode, however, but it comes through machine learning, which is a bit different. The iPhone XR camera is a 12 megapixel one and it has a f1.8 aperture. The front camera also has Apple's True Depth camera system, which is identical with the one used on the iPhone XS and the XS Max. Therefore, the Face ID features are the same for iPhone XR. The camera is also improved by the A12 Bionic processor. It comes with an enhanced image signal processor and enhanced sensors. It comes with the Smart HDR as well. If you are looking to purchase Apple's iPhone XR, you might want to keep an eye out for the Black Friday deals. There will be plenty of good prices for iPhones this year and you should not ignore them. Take a look at the offers made by big retailers, since there is a big chance that you will find a discount on this device. Thanks a lot for watching guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any video from my channel. And if you think I should improve my channel, so don't forget to tell me in the comment section below. And bye bye till the next video.